Good morning, students. Today we learn class 12th physics. Lesson first, electric charges and field. Our today's topic is electric field at an equatorial point of a dipole. When there is a dipole, we have to find out the electric field at equatorial position. Let us consider an electric dipole consisting of two charges, negative Q and positive Q, separated by a distance 2L, are placed in vacuum. Let P be a point on equatorial line of the dipole at distance r from it. So, first of all, we can make the diagram or figure of equatorial position. Suppose this is negative charge and it will be positive charge. We know that the distance between two charges or dipole should be 2L. So here we can write 2L. This is the center point of the dipole or the starting point of positive charge and starting point of negative charge, where the field lines should be counted out. Suppose here is a point P in the equatorial position of the dipole. This point is P. Then we should join these lines the distance between dipole and point P is R. This distance. In point P, the electric field by the positive charge should be worked in outward direction. Like this. Electric field by positive charge. Electric field by negative charge should be worked in the inward direction like this. So here we have to find out the resultant or the electric field. So first of all, when we talking about electric field due to positive charge, electric field due to positive charge. Electric field by the positive charge, when we see the diagram, this is sine theta, because these are the angle of theta. Okay, this is the theta angle. Here again it is the theta angle. Here it will be theta, theta. You already know about that one, theta. So it will be sine theta. And here the electric field should be E cos theta. Okay. Two type of electric field here we find out. Two type of electric field we have find out. In the axial position and in the normal position. In the axial position it is cos theta. In the normal position it is sine theta. Those who do not understand this figure clearly should make like this. The electric field by positive charge, the vector components are, this is sine theta by positive charge, E positive. This is again by positive charge, E cos theta. This is normal component of the electric field. This is axial component of the electric field. Similarly, when we talk about the negative charge, there are again the two component. This is the electric field working direction. Then there are two component, the vector components. This is E cos theta, and in the inward direction it is sine theta or E sine theta by the negative charge. It is by the electric field by the positive charge. Okay, these two should be cancelled out because they are working in opposite direction. So net electric field became in this direction, axial direction. Okay. When we see the diagram of the negative charge, in that case this is the negative charge. Okay, the electric field should be working on the this direction. So there are two vector components, this one and this one. This is sine theta and this is cos theta. Electric field by negative charge. Electric field by negative charge. Simply, by simple figure, you can understand. This sine theta cancel or nullify the other sine theta made by the positive charge. So, we have to calculate electric field due to positive charge. Electric field by the positive charge E positive equals to, we already know about it, K Q cos theta upon R square. What is R square? This distance. Okay. So it will become R square plus L square under root whole square. How it will be happens? You can see the diagram again. This distance is L. This is R. So hypo equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So here you can write hypo square or PQ, or suppose this point is A and this point is B and this one C. So AC square equals to R square plus L square, or AC equals to under root of R square plus L square. Okay. This is the first equation. So electric field due to negative charge. What is the electric field? Again, E negative equals to K Q cos theta under root R square plus L square whole square. This is the second equation. From these two equations, when we see both the magnitude are same, so from above equation we can write the magnitude of positive charge is equalized to the magnitude of negative charge, equalized to kq cos theta upon this square should be cancel out root. So here it will become r square plus l square. Okay. Net electric field equalized to electric field at equatorial position equalized to, from the figure we understand that this is the negative charge and this is the positive charge, negative and positive charge. The direction of the dipole movement is in this direction. Thus the electric field is working on this direction. So these two will be opposite. So here net electric field or electric field in the equatorial position negative, electric field by positive charge added with electric field by negative charge. Electric field by positive charge equalized to k q cos theta upon r square plus l square added with kq cos theta upon r square plus l square then both are same. So here we can write negative 2 kq cos theta upon r square plus l square. Okay, this is the equatorial position electric field. Can we remove cos theta? If the value of cos theta is given, in that case you can put this equation, equatorial position. If they do not give the value of cos theta, in that case we can solve cos theta. Cos theta equalized to base upon hypotenuse. The value of base is L, or value of hypotenuse equalized to, you have find out that one, under root r square plus L square. So this is the value of cos theta, which we put in the equation. So equation is look like electric field at equatorial position equals to negative of kq upon r square plus L square. In place of cos theta we can put L upon under root r square plus L square equals to negative of kq upon r square plus L square L upon, we can remove this root sign, so it will become r square plus L square 1 by 2, then k q L, whether it will be kq, no, it will be 2kq. Two kql upon r square L square. This should be added by under root r square plus L square, 3 by 2. Electric field at equatorial position. Therefore, we know that 2ql equals to p, the dipole moment. So here we can put the value of 2ql. So electric field at equatorial position equals to negative k. In place of 2ql we put p, so it became r square plus L square 3 by 2. This is the electric field at equatorial position. A special case, if r is very larger than L, or the value of r is greater than L, then L became negligible. Why? the distance of L look like this, and R became too much larger. Okay, simply when we understand that fact, how it will be happen. Suppose this is the dipole, negative q and positive q, and the distance is too far. When we see this distance L, it will become too much short at that time or became negligible. So electric field at equatorial position will become electric field at equatorial position will Kp upon R square root and 3 by 2. Okay, this 2 cancel out this 2, so electric field at equatorial position will become Kp upon Rq. If you like this video, like it, subscribe it and share it. Thank you.